Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Make sure you're actually in the country you want or have a valid local payment method, because Google verifies location. Once done, disable any VPN and enable your phone's location services so the Play Store sees your region. Sign into the specific Google account you plan to change. Now open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. We'll go straight into account and device preferences to begin switching your country. Follow prompts carefully to avoid unnecessary delays. Next, open Settings inside the Play Store and choose Account and Device Preferences, then Country and Profiles. You'll see an option to create a profile for the new country. Choose it and add a local payment method or new Google Payments profile as required. Make sure the billing address matches the country. Accept the terms and confirm the change. Note that Google may take time to propagate the update, often immediate, but sometimes up to 48 hours. So wait briefly before testing. Finish by clearing the Play Store's cache and data in your device settings, then relaunch the app so it pulls the new country's catalog. Verify the change by viewing region-specific apps and prices, and by inspecting your Google Payments profile to confirm the billing country. If the store didn't change, make sure your payments profile country matches and your VPN is off. Some changes require waiting up to 48 hours or are limited to once per year, in which case creating a new account is a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.